just leaving the Maine coast. We drove up last night, cut some of the time down, and we are heading to Sugarloaf. What's our current weather conditions?
Here it's raining, 35 degrees.
Yeah.
Not very nice, but up there it's supposedly snowing and nice and cold.
Yeah, we looked at the cam this morning and it looked like they were scraping off about 3 to 4 inches. They are supposed to get reasonably heavy snow all day and get upwards of 7 to 9 inches today. So
Exciting.
yeah, Ella's first day on skis this year.
Probably it's gonna be tough, but I'll make it.
Might be spoiling her by driving 8.5 hours.
Come on.
Might be spoiling her. The phone keeps falling down.
It's really funny.
We're in the Jeep
And
and I don't have a mount for the phone.
Alright, stay.
Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can get our first powder day and her first day on skis for the season.
I'm so excited. I've been buzzing for the past week about it.
Yeah.
He went, what if it's raining? And I go, I don't care, I'm still going skiing. As long as it's open, I'm skiing.
There is a chance for sleet in the afternoon, but even if we can get 3-4 inches of powder for a couple runs, it'd be worth it.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime.
Happy for snow?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Baby, you're wanted. Looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted.
Got your new skis? You've been blinded. Morning. Morning. a sausage sandwich? Kind of tastes like a hot dog.
It is a hot dog.
It looks like your mouth is a little full. I know it looks like a disaster, but it's alright tasting.
What?
We just finished lunch and we've been riding the tote road today. We did a couple laps. Apparently it's like 3.5 miles long. So we're gonna try the trail to the side. I don't know what the rating is. So Ella's legs are all better. She's been feeling the burn. We didn't realize the trail was that long.
And I've been doing my own exercise, okay?
She's been exercising.
I've been working, and it still burns. So if you haven't gone your first day yet, I'm sorry, it's gonna hurt. It'll be fun the first half of the run, and then you'll start to feel the burn, and then you'll be like, oh man, this is starting to be unbearable.
Other than that, there is probably a solid, I would say a solid 6 inches of snow.
Let's see. I don't know. It's to the top of my boot.
There's a solid to the top of her boot in snow. We're gonna get our gear and head up the hill. Go get some more turns. See if Ella can do another snow angel. Only one wipeout so far. That was a slow motion fall. Your skis go good in reverse, huh? We just finished up skiing. It started to sleet. The snow started to get really wet. The powder was really good for the first part of the morning. We had a really good time. Ella did really well for her first day out this year on her new skis. So it was like learning in 5 inches of heavy powder.
It was rough.
It was a little rough for her, but she did really well. I think that about wraps it up for today. They had that one long run in that was, I think, 3.5 miles or something.
Yep.
We got quite a few laps on that.
Took
Enough
about
to make the legs burn.
our trail, which is crazy compared to places we go like last year, like Butternut and our other.
We were going
hometown,
slow.
Maine.
We could have tucked and burned it, but the legs wouldn't do it.
No, especially mine.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.